Hi, I'm Andrew with Baker's Gas. We're here today to talk about something new that ESAB came out with. So here in my rod guard container, I have what they just introduced is called ESAB VacPac electrodes. So VacPac is a 100% hermetically sealed package, 4 pounds of 7018-1H4R. It is a premium electrode, so low hydrogen. It's a 4-pound package. You can get it in 3/32, 1/8 inch, 5/32. Also, you can buy 24-pound packages of it, but those come with 6 of these packages in a box. So it's hermetically sealed. We're gonna crack it open here. There is no, you don't have to put it, you know, it doesn't have to go in a rod oven, doesn't have to be rebaked, that kind of thing. After you open it though, it does need to go into a sealed gut. That's why I have my rod guard here, just to keep moisture out and everything. But for like a job site, that kind of thing, or even home hobby, I mean, that's perfect. 4 pounds of rod vacuumed up, and you can put it in your rod thing. It's perfect. So in like a job site, what I'm thinking is if you're in power plants or in the industry somewhere, you could just carry 4 pounds of rod. You don't have to worry about pulling out of the oven. It's already hermetically sealed. You don't have to worry about any of that. So you just cracked it. The seal is broke here. Pretty easy to open. Kind of like a thicker aluminum foil almost. As you can see, it's kind of, it felt funny in the package. Like it was like, let's see here. It's got a tab. Try to get it open. We're gonna try it. Oh, right there. So it's got like this plastic cardboard covering. Oh yeah, it's packed in there pretty good. Look at that. That's pretty cool. About 4 pounds right inside that little run. So that after you open that, like I said, you can put it right back in your rod guard. Let's give this thing a shot, see how it welds. We're gonna try it on the new Miller Thunderbolt 160. Let's see how this thing goes. Let's fire this up here. So I had this thing set at 130. We're going to drop it down to 110 since we have a 3/32 electrode. So give it a shot here. Well, it's really nice. Pretty decent running electrode. Check the slide out there and see how it looks. So the package itself is going to range between sizes. The price range is different, but 3/32 to 5/32, you're going to look around maybe 12 bucks for 4 pounds. I know that seems higher price than what you can buy in a big 50-pound can, but think about it. It's a hermetically sealed 4 pound. Are you going to use 50 pounds? Probably not. So it's the perfect sizing for 4 pounds. Yeah, check that read out. Not too bad. Runs really pretty nice. Very smooth arc. Kind of pretty impressed with that stuff. I like the packaging. That's really nice. I mean, that you put it right in your rod guard, see it fits right down in there. Put the cap on. So like I said, about 12 bucks for the 4 pounds. You can also buy it in a 24-pound carton, so 6 packages of 4 pounds in there. Thanks for watching my video. Stay tuned for more.